to my channel. So I can't really talk because of this that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover. But if you need something quick, fast, and easy, then I think this would be a really cool idea. Like your face is melting off. So I thought this would be like a really cool thing. So this is my inspiration by House of Wax. I did a video a while back talking about that I love my top 10 Halloween movies, and House of Wax was one of them, and I thought I would just kind of recreate the look on my own way. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I took off the eye makeup for this eye. I took out my lipstick, and I'm going to go in with this. I found my palette, the Wolf Face Arts and FX makeup. This is water based. I'm going to go ahead and use this black one right here and go ahead and get a little water bottle. I normally like to spray the black like this. I kind of just spray it in there. Turn that off. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with a small brush on how I'm going to want this eye to look. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little voiceover. So all I'm doing here is just kind of tracing it around with the black water paint. I have a very thin brush that I am just working very light at first. If you want to darken it, then you go ahead and just dab it in. Because it is water-based paint, you know, the more you just dab it in, more add water. So right now I'm going in with a flat, stiff brush, and I'm just applying the same paint and just kind of basically just filling it in. Now I'm going to go in with some liquid latex. I've never tried this type of brand, but I'm just going to open it up, put it on a little area, and then going in with these disposable sponges, and I'm just applying it all over my forehead, and then I kind of just layer it basically, so that way I know it's like really tacky. And I'm just going over it, and then I will be going in with these. Actually, I say that it's my image is basically like wax, because I'm trying to like do that whole House of Wax look. But these actually I created myself. All I did was get a glue gun, got some paper that like you can do wax paper, some kind of paper that it's easy for you to peel off, like a sticker, and I just went in with the glue gun and I just made like big like drops, and then once it dried, which glue sticks dries really quick, I just kind of peeled it off, and then that's what I'm using. So all of this is actually glue from the glue gun, and then I'm just taking little piece by piece. Some of them I made long, some of them I made short, and I'm just applying it because all I want is like this whole side of my face just to be like it's made out of wax and it's melting. Addison says it looks like just like my skin is just like melting off rather than wax, but now that I told her what I was doing, she was like, okay, now I see it. So it's just kind of, you know, depends. You can call it whatever you want, but it's just my inspiration from that movie. So here I'm just doing little pieces here and there. Some of them break off. Just because they break off doesn't mean for you to go ahead and throw them away. You can just use those little pieces and just kind of fill up all the gaps that you have in your face. And some of the paper did come off with the wax. With the glue. As you can see, like little pieces of purple from the paper that I used before, because I was trying it out, which is fine because all I'm going to do basically is just going to cover all of that up anyway. So here I'm just trying to see where I can put this piece. I know this piece was like a very long piece, but all I'm basically doing, I don't know if I show it, but I just kind of get the scissors and I kind of cut it off. And then I'm also going to apply some of it like on my nose area, because I really want like the whole half down my face. Here I'm just grabbing some foundation. I use a water, like it kind of like a water type base foundation from Merle Norman. It comes out really watery, and I actually like that because I felt like I get to move the product more and kind of cover up more of the glue, rather than just have like a thick foundation or not so much water. This is the wax type of feel that I want to go with. This eye, I'm not going to pretty much show you guys how to do this. I want you guys to glam it any way that you want to glam your own eye, but this is how I want it to look, like a whole a wax figure type of thing, just because I love House of Wax. I can't really talk with this thing on, but I love the way it is. I put black here just because I wanted to seem more black, but I actually feel like I should have just done this whole nude. So you can go ahead and pick whatever thing that you want that you decide to do for this eye, but I really like it because I feel like the eye is just kind of like the skin is coming off and it's just kind of sinking in. But this is what the look is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this area, and yeah.